guys, una natin gagawin for today is magsimba. So magsisimba muna ako and tingnan natin yung mga next natin gagawin for today. Hi guys, so katapos lang ng mass and ang aga pa, it's 5:30 pa lang. Pero baka mag-dinner na din ako. Iniisip ko kung saan. Nag-iikot lang ako dito sa mall. Bibili muna ako ng Dubai Chewy dito sa Engbitin. Ang haba ng pila, pero sabi nila meron daw dito Dubai Chewy. Try muna natin itong Dubai Chewy habang hinihintay natin. Mochi pala siya. Sarap.
Why do you baby Buttercup baby just to let me down? You mess me around and the words involved. You never call baby when you say you will. But I love you still, I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the start. So build me up, Buttercup, don't break my
Grabe guys, sobrang nabusog ako. So, before ako umuwi, bibili muna ako ng coffee.
I'll be beside the phone waiting for